Alpine Power Systems proudly supports the manufacturing industry with complete motive and critical power solutions. Manufacturing is the engine of our economy, and it runs on reliable power. From the production line to the warehouse, every second of uptime matters. Power disruptions can halt production, damage equipment, and throw off supply chains. Alpine helps keep your operations moving safely, efficiently, and without interruption. We serve a wide range of facilities, including automotive plants, food and beverage production, industrial goods manufacturers, and distribution centers. Alpine provides industrial batteries, chargers, watering systems, and advanced charging infrastructure to power your forklift fleet and material handling operations. Our mobile technicians offer on-site maintenance, battery testing, recycling, and fleet evaluations, helping you extend battery life and reduce downtime. For your control systems, automation, and emergency backup needs, we deliver UPS systems, DC plants, batteries, and power monitoring solutions. From preventive maintenance and load testing to remote diagnostics and full system installations, Alpine keeps your facility powered and protected. We support compliance with OSHA, NFPA 70E, IEEE, and EPA standards, helping you meet industry-specific safety and sustainability goals. Learn more at alpinepower.com and discover how Alpine helps keep America's factories running strong.